Hi, and thank you for stopping by the channel today. If this is your very first time, my name is Chuck, and on this channel we deal with pretty much everything Corvettes. This right here is my 2019 ZR1. This right behind me is my wife's Grand Sport Collector's Edition, and today I'm going to be showing you how to directly wire in the Max 360 using the direct wire mount, or direct wire tap, and then also the low profile mount that would go on the review mirror. I will have all of these items linked below, so let's jump in the car. I've got a couple of GoPros in there. I'm gonna have a headlight on so that you can kind of see, hopefully you'll be able to see everything that I'm hoping you will be able to see. I hope you see. Let's get into the car, guys. In here, a couple of things that you're going to need is I would definitely make sure you have a small pair of needle nose. Not too small, but you want something that's got a little bit of girth to it. That way, here in a moment, you'll see. Also, the smallest possible little screwdriver you have. These right here that you can work on glasses work really good. Definitely hike around. These are things that you don't necessarily have to have, but it's just going to make the process a whole lot simpler for you. So what we're going to do next is we're going to start off by taking off the actual cover. And when you pull down it, you'll hear everything kind of unsnap. And you can tell, I'm trying not to keep that in your face, but you got all these little tabs right here that's held in by. This thing we're going to take out is this little piece right here. This is kind of the harness for the actual wiring. I'm going to take this off. Just kind of pops off. Out of the harness, you're going to see where, you know, basically the little housing wire is here. And all you're going to do is right here on the sides, there's two tabs. There's one right here, and you're just going to press that over, and then this whole piece right here is going to come out. So you can see how that just pops off. Now, once we have this piece here, at the very top, there is, right here, you're just going to push in on this little tab, and it's going to allow this to just kind of pull out. It allows you to separate the two. Now, the harness that goes up into the hood area, the top area, it does have a little bit of extra, so you want to make sure you pull out whatever slack is there. And then on the inside, you're going to have two different, so once these are apart, you're going to have two different sets. You're going to have this piece right here that's going back up into the top, and this right here goes into the mirror. You're going to do all of your tapping into the main direct power source that comes directly out of the area here. So we're going to do the purple, and we're going to do the black wire when it comes to the C7. So basically this red wire here and the black is going to go into black, red is going to go into the purple. We want to take the little tool that you know, for watches and so forth, and we're going to go to the purple one first. And what you want to do is kind of on the side of this is kind of just at an angle, just kind of push in a little bit. And what we're doing here is we're just creating a little bit of a path here, because when we go to put the tap in, this is going to be a very tight fit. And what I found is creating a little bit of a gapping already here allows that to get in, because once it goes in, it will set really good. Like that, I just felt that right there go all the way, you know, towards the bottom. So we're going to take the red one. We're going to go into the purple, and this is where those needle nose will come in handy. And you're just going to put it on here, and you're just going to push it down in there. Then go to the black one. Again, this is going to be black on black, and it's going to be right here next to the green. And then once you've got both of them in, we're just going to reattach it. The Max 360 will come on. And this one isn't set up or anything yet, of course. I'll do that through the app here in a minute. But it's set up so that every time that you turn the car off, it turns the power off to this. We have these all together. We've got to put the housing back together. So this right here is going to go back into its housing. Pops right back in there. Okay. All this did was pop right back on. The housing there, you got your wire hanging out. You got the wire and everything in. We want to put the protector back on. It's all just going to snap right back in the spot. Okay. You can see the two screws that are here. You want to loosen these all the way up so that you get the maximum amount of gapping here. Now this mount is going to go like this into the car. So this little bottom piece here at the bottom is going to be facing away from you. So it's going to be like this. One thing I'm going to recommend that you do before you even put this on is go ahead and take these two, push this all the way up, and then go ahead and tighten these down on this side, because they're going to be pointing away from you, and these things right here can be a bear. It's just hard to tighten things once it's up there. But we're going to just kind of max out the low profile that we can get with this thing. So again, I'm just tightening this up. And this is going to be pointing away from you like this. We're going to be mounting this. If this was your mirror, we're going to be mounting this right here. And I'm just tightening these up. So once I've got that, there's one on the side. And this right here, the one on the top, I would recommend that you go ahead and tighten up fully. The one on the bottom, it's okay if it's, this is where you can adjust it later. So if you've got this pitch too high on the side here, you'll be able to go in with this and just kind of loosen this up and allow you to move this up and down. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and put this on. While we've got the sides loose, and we want this to kind of be pointing directly out. So that's about perfect right there. It's nice and level. You're going to be able to see everything here. You don't want it pointing too far up, too far down. You want it to, again, just kind of be shooting out straight there. Next, we're going to take this and zip tie it. Definitely one of the hardest how-to videos to do. Bent over inside of a Corvette trying to get up underneath the mirror. I mean, that's not for the faint of heart for sure. But I hope that was beneficial to you. I hope it helps you out if you're wanting to do a Max 360 and do a blend mount. But guys, I appreciate you stopping by the channel, and until I see you at the next one, I hope each and every one of you have a blessed week. Now, let's check out some of your beautiful rides.